it's Noe, and today I have my cousin.
Hi, I'm Kailey. I'm 9 years old, and I'm a dancer. I love to draw and sing.
Okay, so today we're gonna be using the hair chalk pens from
Original Stationery.
These pens are very bright colors, easy to use, and washable. As you can see up here, you can see all the colors. They're so cool, and we can't wait to try them. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up here. I'm gonna take it out to see our beautiful colors. Ooh, I'm pretty excited to use all of these.
Cool.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna use the red and I think the pink, or the silver. I'm gonna use the silver. Ooh, Kailey, what colors are you gonna use?
I think I'm gonna use the purple and the blue.
Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna read our instructions and do it. Okay, so first we have to prepare our hair. For a long-lasting color, we have to wet our hair a little bit to help the chalk attach to our hair. So I have this bowl of water here. We're gonna wet our hair. So I'm gonna do like a few pieces of hair here, and then I'm gonna do a little bit back here. So what are you gonna do, Kailey?
I think these two and my little pom-poms.
Okay, so I'm gonna help you with the pom-poms, okay? Okay, so we're gonna section our hair, and I'm gonna grab a hair tie. Here, we'll tie our hair back. Yep, let's put forward what we need. Tie our hair back into a little ponytail so it doesn't get in our way. And I'm gonna tie my hair back. Let's get my hair forward. This is just to make sure that we don't get what we don't want to color wet or colored. So it's just for safety measures, and we're gonna put our hair forward. Okay, now we're gonna get our hair just a little bit wet, okay? So I'm just gonna grab the water and just wet it just a little bit. Here, lean forward. I can help you if you want.
It's okay.
Gotta get in there. You need some paper towels here. Here you go, put that right there. Put this right here. Sweat your hair a little bit. This is just to make sure that the color is gonna stay longer and it's gonna apply the best way it can. Okay, here, I'll put it on there. Just wet it just a little bit. Can you give me the other pom-pom? Okay, now that we have that, we're gonna start getting to work. Okay, Kailey, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the color that I want first on my little 2 strands, and I am going to, first of all, push it. Okay, now I'm gonna take my hair and I'm just gonna rub it on my hair. I'm using my hand to make sure that it's gonna apply well on it and just making sure it's gonna get that color. Just be careful, yep. It might stain your hand just a little bit, but using the hand is just gonna make sure that it's gonna get the color on there. I'm just gonna get to town on it. Can't undo this one, there we go. And these things on the bottom are to help slide it up because there is a lot of hair chalk in there. You need any help?
Yeah, I've been twisting.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
I'm just gonna go. There you go. You gotta apply a good amount of pressure, Kailey. Want me to help you?
Yeah.
You wanna do an upward and downwards motion to make
Yeah.
sure it's getting on your hair. Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit upwards. And as you can see on Kailey, it's like a light purple. Do you like light purple?
Yes.
What is your favorite color, Kailey?
Galaxy.
Oh, that's cool. So what does galaxy, like, the colors of the galaxy consist of?
It's like a white with like a dark blue with purple and some pink.
Ooh, okay, cool. So you're actually using some of your favorite colors in here.
Yeah.
Because you have the light purple and the dark blue. Okay, we're almost done. I'm just gonna keep applying, because what color do you want it, like a light color, or you want it just like subtle? Subtle? Okay, then we're almost done. Okay, and then wait right here because I'm gonna finish my strands. So I really like the color red because it just looks like the fiery color, and I know this is like a trend right now where people do like the bottom half of their hair a color, which is kind of cool because I won't permanently dye my hair, so the temporary colors are really cool to see what my hair would look like that, so I really like it. Okay, almost done. Okay, ready to get to the pom-poms?
Yep.
Okay, let's close these up. Okay, you're gonna be using blue for your pom-poms, or do you want to use purple still?
I think one pom-pom purple and another
Okay. Give me this. I'm gonna start with the purple one. I'm gonna put a little here. I can't really get it on the pom-pom, but I'll try my best, but I got it on your hair. Okay, can you see the other one? Okay, let's try the other one. Here you go. Can you put the cap on this one? Okay. Face this way. Okay, so let's see if we can get it a close-up into this one. This one actually has sparkles in it, so a few of them, I think like either 4 or 5 of them have sparkles, and they make it look really cool.
It shows them on the cap.
Yes, exactly. Okay, that's pretty cool, Kailey. Okay, here you go. I'm gonna do the silver on my hair. Do you wanna help me?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is just put a few strokes here. You don't have to put it on my bun though. Okay. Do it forward, do it forward. There you go.
There we go.
Okay, put it on the other one. Got it? Yep. Okay, cool beans. Okay, now we're gonna dry our hair just like it says. So in the instructions, it says let it dry. So we're gonna seal the chalk, put this aside, and then we're gonna let our hair dry, or dry it with the hair dryer. So let's put this all away, and we're gonna dry our hair with the hair dryer. Color there. Okay, now other one. It's turning out so cool. You can see the light purple in there. It's all done. Almost dry. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. Okay, I think it's almost done. Okay, all done. Okay. We'll see you guys in 1 second to show the reveal of the hair. Okay, so we're so excited. Our hair is done, but one quick thing before we move on to our next thing, we want to talk about hair color. So I have highlights, so I actually did the red color on my highlights so you can see how it will be done on blonde hair. But here on the instructions it says that blonde hair and red hair are perfect and they will always show up whatever color you choose. It will show up on your hair, but
for black and brown, choose bright, vibrant colors so it can show up
on your hair. So me and Kailey both have brown hair. You can see on Kailey's. We chose a lighter color, so that's why you can't see it as much, but you can see a little bit of purple, and then on the top you can see even more, because, I don't know, I think we use more pressure on there, but it looks so cool. I love how it looked on you, Kailey. How does the silver look? I don't know how it looks on me.
It looks really cool.
Did it show up really well?
It showed.
It doesn't look like gray, but it looks like colorful and like kind of like silvery and like very shiny and bright.
Yeah.
Okay. So great. So let's move on to our next part. Okay. So we can actually use this on our face. So for the face, we're gonna prep our face. We're gonna clean our face and pat dry for our canvas. So we're gonna get our water back, and we're gonna take a little bit of paper towel. And we are gonna wet our face just a little bit and then pat it dry. I'll get it. Yeah, our face was pre-clean and we have a little bit of makeup on, so we don't wanna take it off just yet. but we're just gonna go on to the next process. But just know that if your face is dirty or you haven't cleaned it yet, to make sure that you clean it with water and then pat dry. Okay, so our next thing is apply the chalk colors in whichever design you wish. Okay, are you ready? And it says also to get creative, and you can blend colors and metallics to create stunning effects.
That sounds really cool.
Okay, Kailey. So I think I want like a little heart on my cheek. Do you think you can draw that for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Since I already have like kind of red hair, I think it'd go with my theme. So you can put it right here.
Right there.
Just a little heart. Here. Let me open it for you. Here, this is top. Okay, there you go. Just a little heart. And then you can also fill it in too. Okay, what do you want, Kailey? You can make like a rainbow or like a star or whatever you want.
I think I'd like a little star, like little stars coming down.
Really? Okay, that's so cool. Okay, we can choose, we'll put the silver. We can also use the purple, maybe the pink, the blue, and the purple. Or we'll use pink, purple, blue, and silver metallic colors, which are gonna look great on her face. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, we have one star there. And then move on to the pink one. Thank you. Okay, there's that one. It looks really cool, Kailey. Okay, let's get the purple. This one's a little hard because it's kind of in the way of your eyebrow. And then the last one, put it right on your cheek. Okay, these are so cool. And then I think I want to add like, yeah, a couple dots, right?
Yeah.
Like stars. Kind of hard to show. Okay, these are so cool, and your design looks so great. How does mine look?
It looks really cute.
Okay, great. So this is the final product. I think we should do a reveal to see how we look.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, we're about to see ourselves for the first time. So let's go, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. I love how I have my red hair and my heart. And then I also love the silver little marks on my head. They're really cool. What do you think, Kailey?
I think it's really cool.
Look at the stars on your face.
So
Oh, and then the little marks up here. That looks so cool. Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much for watching. If you love this video, make sure you click down below for more. And I encourage you to go buy one of these because they're so cool, right?
Yeah.
And you can use them on your family, friends, and even yourself, of course. So make sure you go get one of these kits, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.